Hey everyone! So you know that feeling when you're convinced your GPS is lying to you and you're about to end up in Narnia instead of your friend's house? That's self-doubt, the GPS of your mind, constantly recalculating and making you question your every turn. Now let me tell you a little story. Last week I tried to make a sandwich. Sounds simple, right? Bread, ham and cheese. Classic. But my brain decided to turn it into a 3D puzzle. Is this enough ham? Is this too much cheese? Do I even deserve a sandwich? And there it is, the self-doubt sandwich. Not as tasty as it sounds. But hey, we've all been there, right? Doubting the simplest things, like whether you left the oven on or if that person waving at you was really waving at you. Spoiler alert, they probably were. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Self-doubt isn't just about sandwiches and imaginary Narnia trips, it's about the bigger stuff too. The dreams we have, the goals we set, and that little voice inside saying, "You, achieve that, please." But here's the twist. What if I told you that self-doubt is the seasoning of success? The spice that makes victory taste even sweeter? Think about it. Every great story has a moment where the hero doubts themselves, right before they conquer the dragon or save the day. So you're standing there, doubting your sandwich-making abilities, or questioning your life choices. But what if I told you that every doubt, every uncertainty is just a pit stop on the road to greatness? The GPS might be rerouting, but it's taking you to a destination beyond your wildest dreams. Because, my friends, the most beautiful symphonies are composed in doubt. The most breathtaking art is painted in uncertainty. And you? You're the artist, the composer, the hero of your own story. Imagine a world where self-doubt isn't a roadblock, but a stepping stone. Every doubt is a chance to prove yourself wrong, to show that inner critic that you're capable of more than it could ever imagine. You see, the journey from doubt to triumph is a roller coaster, but what a ride it is. So laugh in the face of self-doubt, dance with uncertainty, and embrace the beautiful chaos of your own potential. In the grand comedy of life, you're the star, and self-doubt is just a supporting character. So go out there, make those sandwiches, conquer your dragons, and let the world witness the masterpiece that is you. Remember, the doubt may be real, but so is your ability to overcome it. Cheers to laughter, triumph, and the incredible journey that is your life.